Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you will learn on how I can add custom domain to Vercel from GoDaddy. So first thing that you should do here is you just have to open your Vercel account, okay, and then go to the domain section. After that, open your GoDaddy account and then go to your domain. That's right. And then here you just have to copy the name of your domain. So I have this one, so I'm just going to copy this one and go back to Vercel, and then I just have to add here the domain. So paste it right here and then tap on the save option. Okay, so after that we have to change the name server. So we are just going to copy these name servers. So copy the first one, go here to domain. That's right. And then go to the DNS option and then go to the name servers. So we are going to change the name servers for this one. So here we are going to select this and then paste it right here. So let's copy the second one and then paste it right here and then tap on save. Okay, so just wait for a couple of seconds after that, then tap on continue. Okay, so we have successfully changed our name servers. So go back right here and then we just going to refresh this section as well as this one. So once the process is complete, you would be able to see this three checks. So it means that you have successfully connected your GoDaddy domain to Vercel. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.